Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Cooking Video Firesale Unrestricted PLR review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this PLR offer, Cooking Video Firesale. So this is the sales page and it says here, attention marketeers, are you ravenous? I don't know the meaning of this word. To fill your pockets with a plethora of dollars. Grab your hands on the top most authentic and high definition quality product Cooking Video Firesale with unrestricted private label rights to use, resell and earn profit well. Okay, so I was just going through the Warrior Plus product launches today. I saw this thing PLR. Normally I don't really make videos for PLRs, but I think I saw the video somewhere. So if you go down, or you can directly, if I go at the top, let me go at the top, and you click on this demo thing here on the top right, you will see all these sample videos. This video is for 44 seconds. This is 42 seconds. And these are all related to cooking videos. You see here, they are cooking something with cashew, sour cream. This is what? Chopped salad. Then you have chicken and mushroom. Oh my God, after this video, I will be so freaking hungry. Crispy Parmesan potato snacks. I remember chicken Parmesan when I was in North England. Fully loaded deviled eggs, garlic mashed cauliflower. This is gonna be a hungry video. Garlic shrimp scampi with spaghetti squash. Whatever guys, you know, let's not take a look at these videos. I'm feeling hungry already. So yeah, what was I was supposed to tell you? I think I was telling you that you will get access to these videos, okay? Now these videos looks short to me. They are not like 10 minutes long video. They may be, I don't know, but for now the sample videos are only these 30 seconds, 40 seconds long, long videos, okay? So if you want to use these videos, maybe you have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have some following on Facebook, or if you have some audience already, or you want to teach people, or you want to sell your cooking, maybe online courses, some ebooks you have, okay? So this is what you can use for marketing materials, show them some sample videos that, okay, this is what you will be learning inside my online cooking classes or whatever, okay? So if you want, then you can use it for yourself. Or second option could be that you could be a marketeer, you could be, somebody who already has got some traffic, you might have an email list and you are looking for something to sell. So this could be a product which you can get, you can get master PLR rights, okay? So unrestricted means that you can sell this to other people and you can also give PLR rights to other people so that they can resell it. For example, you buy this from them, okay, and then you can go and rebrand everything, put your name, put your brand on these videos, okay, on the product, and then sell this as your own to somebody else, and that somebody else will also have the authority to sell those videos to the third person, to somebody else, okay? I hope you understand. So yes, you can, if you buy this, you can pass on the PLR rights to the third person, okay? So I guess that's all about it, and the rest you will find everything on the sales page. You could also try to become a freelancer if this is how you want to do this. If you have any history on Fiverr.com, you can sell these videos for maybe, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 bucks, depending on if your profile ranks or not. So again, if you have traffic, then you can utilize these videos. So what do you get here? You get 300 high definition cooking videos, 10 ebooks and 3 exclusive bonuses, okay? And yeah, so I guess there was nothing much to talk about, but yes, I saw the sample videos and I loved the quality because they are high definition, okay? You can see here again, they're short videos, but they are high definition. So again, I'm not sure inside the package if you will be getting the longer videos or they will only remain this much long, okay? So I don't know about that. And then these are the ebooks which you will be getting, okay? And also I could give you some bonuses if you want some bonuses, okay? So hang on tight because I will tell you a website, where you can go and get some more ebooks, unlimited ebooks rather, or unlimited videos, okay? So this is from them, and I'm not sure if you will find the link of this product below my video or not. So yeah, before that, let me go through the frequently asked questions before I talk about that website. So what is Cooking Video Firesale? It's gonna give you 300 professionally created videos. It has been made for you to reap all the benefits. So you will get 300 videos, and then you either sell it, resell it, or just use it for your YouTube videos, whatever. Okay. Can you elaborate on your licensing options with the Cooking Video Firesale? I already have explained that you can pass on the PLR rights. However, you can go and read everything here. Okay. Can I give a PLR? I think I already told you. Yes, you can. Do I have to pay monthly fee? No. What if I'm not happy? 30 days money back guarantee, as you can see here. Okay, so you got nothing to lose, but only buy if you want this. Otherwise, don't buy. Okay. And yes, I was saying I'm not sure if my links are going to be approved. If they will be approved, you will find the link below my YouTube video somewhere here. If you click on this, and you will see that link which says buy Cooking Video Firesale. If it's not there, then just avoid. Okay, so bonus, forget about the bonus. I will show you this website called idplr.com. if you go to this website, you will have to register for free. Okay, so on the top right here, I guess, click on this thing, register for free. It's absolutely free to register. Okay, and once you are signed in, then go to free products. In free products, you can get free ebooks and free videos. Okay, free graphics, free templates, free audio, free software, whatever you see here under free products, everything's for free. All you have to do is sign up, log in, download, that's it. Okay, so this was about Cooking Video Firesale. Do we have some OTOs? Probably we do. So the front end will cost you $15. Okay, then we have these OTOs which you will see here. Upsell number 1 is for $47, and the downsell will be for $43.95, I guess. Okay, then upsell number 2 is this private label lights, $14. I am very bad in explaining the upsells, but because I don't really care about upsells. Okay, this is what you see here, and the easiest way to find out find more about upsells is that when you will go and buy the front ends. Okay, so when you will buy this front end package, you will pay them $15. After that, they will take you to upgrade 1, then 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so then go on to those relevant sales pages and then check out all the features on those on those upsell pages. If you want something, then go and grab it. Otherwise, just click on no thanks at the bottom and move on. Okay, so that was the upsell and everything. And yeah, so it's not gonna it's not gonna make you any money, and that's why I made this video, because I would like to maybe talk about those products which don't claim to make you any money. Okay, so this is again going to give you those things. I have shown you sample videos. They're high quality. I like them. How would you use it in your, whether you will use them in your personal projects or in your clients' projects, or you will sell them to your existing traffic, to your audience, that's entirely up to you. How do you make this work? Okay, if you want, go and grab it. Otherwise, you can get some more things here for free by visiting this website idplr.com. Okay, however, getting something for free from here or getting these videos doesn't really make you any single penny. Okay, so if you want to make money as a newbie, okay, because what I am doing right now is I'm recording this video, but I don't want to depend that I will only make money when you will buy this from me, or I will only be able to sell this to you if somebody else approves my links for this product. I don't want to live in fantasy world. Okay, I want to do something which is gonna make me money right away. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am recording this YouTube video. Now in this YouTube video, I can make money in multiple ways. Okay, so if you buy something from my YouTube video, if you buy something from my links here, I will make some money. Okay, but even if you don't buy anything from me, I have still made some money, because when you are watching this YouTube video, probably you might have seen some advertisements in this video. You might or you might not have as of now. So the moment people see some ads in my YouTube videos, that is how I make my money. Okay, so I get paid by YouTube just for recording videos, just for uploading videos, without even having to sell anything. Okay, so if you go below my YouTube video, the first link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, click on this link later on in the end. Okay, once you go on this link, you will find 2 methods to make money on the internet. One is YouTube, which is what I'm doing right now, and second will be email marketing. Just send emails, sell something, and you will get sales. Okay, so both the methods will be covered here once you click on the first link, right? And if you want to learn how to do these reviews, you can get the skill checking training. By the way, it's not free now. Earlier it was free, but now it's not free, so it's paid again. And then these links, so we'll talk about these things in the end. For now, you can subscribe and like, okay? So yes, this traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube for, I guess, rest of your life, as long you want to work, okay? And with YouTube, you can make money without selling anything. You can also sell, you can leave links in your description, or you can simply grow your subscribers, grow your email list, launch your own product. There are a number of ways on the, on YouTube you can make money online, okay? So we'll talk about everything. Now let me think if we can do a recap. There's not much to talk about here. Nice videos. If you want them, go and grab them. If you don't find the link below, then go and buy from somewhere else if you want to. Otherwise, just go and get something for free from here. You will get many things for free from here, from this website, okay? In the end, if you want to make money on the internet, on YouTube, or with email marketing, check out the first link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute to this channel, then click on the super thanks button and leave your question and comments. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that, okay? Subscribe. This bell, this like thingy, this dislike thingy, all these 4 things are absolutely free. Feel free to press all those 4 buttons, okay? And yes, so now I guess in the end, I would just go ahead and show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these 2 methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these 2 methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.